In this problem, you will represent patterns in nonlinear functions. The table shows the total number of blocks in each figure below as a function of the number of blocks on one edge. What is a pattern you can use to complete the table? Represent the relationship using words, an equation, and a graph. How can you use a pattern to complete the table? You can draw figures with 4 and 5 blocks on an edge, then analyze the figures to determine the total number of blocks they contain. Draw the next 2 figures to complete the table. A cube with 4 blocks on an edge contains 4 times 4 times 4, or 64 blocks. A cube with 5 blocks on an edge contains 5 times 5 times 5, or 125 blocks. Use words to represent the relationship. The total number of blocks, y, is the cube of the number of blocks on one edge, x. Now, represent the relationship using an equation. Y equals x cubed. You can use the table to make a graph. The points do not lie on a line, so the relationship between the number of blocks on one edge and the total number of blocks is a nonlinear function.